Naeem Uddin. He offers 40 years working in the construction arena, specifically in educational facilities, in new and renovation types of projects, making him proficient in Florida building code. He's responsible for his firm's project management and contract administration of multi-million-dollar engineer and construction management contracts. This includes the preparation of project design, construction documents, including plans, technical specifications, value engineering, life cost benefit analysis, construction schedule, and project budget. He has experience in handling design, construction management, and daily operations for projects over 30 years. Of management services. So I'm happy to welcome Brother Naeem Uddin.
Thank you so much. Well, what an evening. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am certainly honored and humbly speaking to see such achievements by all the presenters and all the awardees that have been here this morning in front of you. I have always been, I would say, mentor. My mentor has been always Maulana Shafayat. I speak to him all the time. Whenever I have a question, guess who I call? Maulana Shafayat. Even, in fact, last week we spoke about a question that I had. This gentleman, I know him from when he was a baby, practically. I've been around here, as you can tell, for a good number of years, 43 years or so. But I must also thank my wife right here. She's sitting right here. There's always a woman behind a successful man, somewhat, right? So my wife is right here. She's a beautiful lady, mother of my two kids, a boy and a girl. And I wouldn't be here without all her support and really of everybody here. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and you all have a good evening.